Hey guys, how's it going? It's Lisa here and welcome back to another dinner ideas video. Today it is Monday. Tonight I made a favorite Mexican dish, which is tinga de pollo. Basically what it is some chicken and a tomato chipotle sauce. I actually made a video on how to make this. It's super easy. This is my spicy version. I do have a non-spicy version as well. I'll go ahead and link them both down below. But yeah, this is what we're gonna have, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how we're gonna have it tonight. Alright guys, so here it is. Here are the tacos. I went ahead and put them in some flour tortillas, and I have some avocado on the side. But this is what we're having for dinner tonight, guys. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight we're gonna be having some tostadas. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a pan and put some oil in there. Today we're gonna be frying them. I usually bake them in the oven. So my pan has heated up back here, so I'm going to go ahead and start frying them. And then I have another pan back here, which I'm going to go ahead and warm up my tinga from yesterday. But this is what I made yesterday, and I made enough because I knew I wanted some for tonight's dinner. So now I'm going to make a couple of taco shells. So this is getting nice and hot. So let's go ahead and warm up our chicken. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put a lid on this. Just let it warm up. And I'm going to keep working on my shells back here. Right, that's how they're looking. Alright, so here are my tostadas and here are my taco shells. So here we go. Here is my chicken. I went ahead and put it in a bowl. I have some refried beans, and then of course I have all my sides. So let's go ahead and put one together. Let me show you how I do it. So we're gonna go ahead and put some bean on top. Go ahead and grab some of this. We're going to go ahead and put some lettuce and some tomato. Let me have the pepper down. And then we're going to go ahead and add some crema. Some cheese. And I'm going to use some queso fresco. And then we're going to add some pepper. Alright guys, so here it is. Here it is all put together. And then of course I always have to have them with jalapenos. But this is what we're going to have for dinner tonight, guys. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight we're going to be making some picadillo, which is a ground beef and potato mixture. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil. And I actually have some onion. Now that my onion has browned, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 pound of ground beef. Okay, so my meat browned and I already drained out the oil. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some flour. Now that I've cooked my flour in there. So once I've already browned the flour, I guess that's how you would say it, I'm going to go ahead and add some water. Forgot about the main ingredient. So before you add the water, add your potatoes. So this is about 4 small potatoes. And then I'm just going to go ahead and throw this in there, which is 1 serrano pepper, which I de-seeded. Now if you like spicy food or you like it to have more heat, add more peppers if you like. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight we are having chorizo con papa, which is chorizo and potato. And we're going to go ahead and have it in a taco with a flour tortilla. I actually made a video on this, so that video would have been up already by the time you see this week's dinner ideas. But this is my plate, and I'm going to go ahead and have it with a side of jalapenos. But this is what we're going to have for dinner tonight. Alright guys, so it's Friday night, and instead of the usual pizza, tonight we're going to have some oven baked chicken wings. I've actually made a video on this before, so I'll put the link down below. So here are my chicken wings. I buy these in a bag. About 17 to about 19 pieces come in a bag, and I buy them at my local grocery store, which is H-E-B. My husband's going to go ahead and separate the wing from the flat, and then the little pieces at the end, you can just go ahead and discard them, or you can actually even make it just like this. But it doesn't matter, whatever's your preference. So this piece right here, you can toss, or you can actually keep them for like a chicken stock. Up to you, you can freeze them. Alright, so my husband went ahead and cut up the chicken wings. He divided the drumettes and the flats, and here are the tips. Now these, you can keep them and freeze them, so you can use it as the stock for later, or you can just toss them. I usually end up just tossing them away. So I'm gonna grab some baking powder, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. So now we're gonna add some salt. Once I've added everything, I went ahead and gave it a good toss. So this is how it looks. Now you wanna grab a baking sheet. Go ahead and line it with foil. Now you wanna grab a rack, something like this. So after so many times I've made this, I've learned to add some non-stick cooking spray to the racks, because you don't want the, because I've learned that they stick to the racks when they're done. Now you want to go ahead and line up your drumettes and your flats onto your rack. Okay, so this is how it should look, something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it into the oven. So I went ahead and stuck them into the oven at 250 degrees. I'm going to leave them in there for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and pick up the heat to 425 for an additional 50 minutes. And that's it. And then I'll show you how they look when I put them all together. Alright guys, so here are the wings. They just came out of the oven. I'm going to go ahead and let them sit for about 5 minutes before I toss them into my favorite wing sauce. Right now, I went ahead and put some French fries into the oven. And I just want to show you how they look. They're really nice and crunchy. Alright guys, so here it is. This is how it looks all plated up with some fries, the wings, and some celery. And of course we have some ranch and blue cheese dip on the table. That's what we're having for dinner tonight, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you guys later.